Bun up, you know. Bun up. Bella just asked why are we dressed like this and it's not even cold. So we are trying to tell her this morning. When we left out it was drizzling, but right now
it's hot.
It's very hot. Alright? Good thing Mandalay is not as hot as Kingston.
Look at my fingers.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Fun Day 2024.
Sorry, babe.
Bella, what's your concern? That all your friends know.
How can you see?
That she has a love
Your friends don't even know that you're in here. You're not saying anything?
Hi, friends,
Wait,
can
Bella,
you see me?
wait.
Yeah, the people can see that are watching us right now. They can see you.
The Our crew.
Our.
It's a party. One of the members found the phone and he came to me to let me know where it was. And the student was given back her phone. Make some noise for them. It's a party team. I'm not saying
The chop made noise.
Hey, Bianca. Hey. Hey. I told you to be patient. Hey. Bibi. Bianca. Bianca is upset with us.
Why?
Because we take off her clothes.
She had on clothes?
You know what I mean. Bianca. Hey. Why are you hiding?
Come here. Hi, sweet bro. Come here.
See, they missed you.
Alright. Yeah, what she say when I got there?
She said if you're leaving already and you just came because she just see you.
But when she was coming through the place, I said, I called to her, but she not see me.
I think Lion goes
I'm
into
here
this
all along,
continent.
Miss Bella.
And I think Lion goes into this.
That's where I stay, right there. Right here.
What are we watching?
If
What does if mean?
imaginary friends.
Do you have any imaginary friend? No. You got real friends. You have imaginary friends,
That's
babe?
what you think. I'm just kidding. I don't have any imaginary friends.
Yes.
I have real ones. You're making me feel bad. So there.
Okay.
That's in a few minutes. That's at 7. The beach is across the street. I heard you doing a little backstory. So you probably know that. So straight ahead, that's where the the bar is, the disco bar. Open. Someone put it here.
Watch wife. Watch wife. This is the front of the shirt. Yeah.
I don't understand why my nose itching me like that.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
What?
No.
The expectations of marriage versus the reality of marriage. So, here we talk about the sexiness, the wife looking good, and a lot of that will be attracted to that. Like, different things will attract different people. Sometimes somebody may look at my wife and say, I'm there with she. And may look at her and say, oh, she there with him. But guess what? I mean, she love and I she love. So you know, that's what I mean say, you know? And so we have different attraction. But when you're playing a domino game, and I was going to carry a domino today, but I never know that without. So you shuffle a domino, or you play 28, and you draw 7. You know you're going to draw 7 cards, but you really don't know which 7 card you're going to draw. It's 7 dominoes. It's when you draw your 7 and you look on it. And then you can play French. French domino. Yeah?
That's a good one.
French domino sweet. Yeah. I want to aim that French domino to try and double. Yeah, you play a regular domino. You don't really want to.
Yeah, too much double.
It is the final day of our couples retreat for 2024, Power Couples, powered by God, and we are basically packing up to leave. We are at Sea Gardens Hotel. You will see snippets of that. We just wanted to just quickly jump in and share some of what happened, and what's one thing that stood out to you or for you. So we had a female session and a male session. What's one thing that stood out for you? The wife session, in the wife session.
I think it would be that there is purpose in your marriage. You just need to identify it and stand in that truth, even when things get tough. Yeah, that stood out for me.
And I think for me, it would be when the presenter made mention of the communication, when men and women don't communicate, and a lot of times when the men go out, they feel like, boy, if a woman asks where you are, it is more of a prying versus a protection. But he made mention of the fact that he used a bottle and he spoke about the cap on the bottle, and when the cap is off, that the bottle is now left exposed or vulnerable. Any fly can go in there, crumbs can get in there, liquid can come out, whatever the case may be. So the woman wants her husband to cap it all off for her, to be there to protect her, to stop the vulnerable areas from being exposed and all of that. So that's one of the things he spoke about as relates to communication. But it was an overall nice live. It was interesting. It was fun. I think we got a lot more rest time this year. Last year, Bass wanted more time. What do you feel about the time that you got to do other stuff?
Yeah, as I said to the team a while ago, that I liked not having too much structure to the retreat, meaning not something to be done at every time of the day for all the days that we're here. Just sometimes to just relax and rest, because a lot of us have a lot that we do outside of, you know, the retreat. So it's nice to get out to rest in between. So that was good.
Yeah, so we're tired. We're heading out. Her sinus is bothering her, but we're gonna make use of whatever time we have left on property remaining. Until then, see you next year. We out.
Next year for the retreat, not for our next video.
For the retreat, right?
Bye. So I'm at the doctor's office. I'm about to do a laryngoscopy. So it pronounced? Yeah, a laryngoscopy. Because I want to just check to make sure that everything is okay. Because since I lost my voice, I don't feel like it's back to 100. So I'm at Dr. Brown in Mandeville, just to get this done so I can see what's happening, and to see what's happening with my sinus as well, because my sinus just won't give me a break. So let's see. So I forgot to tell you that the first thing she did was to stack this nose, because this is the nose that they're going to go through, with medication that will numb the nasal passage so that the camera can go in. So I'm guessing I won't feel any pain, but girl did 2 C-sections, so yeah. So we'll see what's gonna happen next. I'm just waiting on her to come.
You started already? Oh, press it on. You're gonna say your name when I tell you.
Okay.
Just say your name for me, please.
My name is Basilia Barnaby Cuff.
Okay, flexible laryngoscopy for Basilia Barnaby Cuff. Alright, just breathe slowly to the mouth. We'll give her a napkin because you'll take her to go to the nose. The pressure. Any discomfort, just stop. Try and like drop the nose, like, you know. Yeah, okay. Breathe through your nose now. Swallow and a big cough. Say E. E. Okay. Let's stick out the tongue. Put it back in. Swallow again. Okay, try and say E. E. Breathe. E again. E. Okay, try and say a low E. E. Good. Breathe slowly. Breathe slowly. Okay.
So I just finished, and my sinus has raised up like 20 times. more than it was when I just started it. So it was fascinating though to see everything. So I tried so hard to resist feeling like I felt like I wanted to cough or sneeze, and I just really just tried my best to resist the temptation to, because I don't know what would have happened with that camera down my throat if I did that. But it wasn't bad, it was good, and Dr. Brown was very gentle, so I'm grateful for that. So it is 3:17 now, and I am going to go pick up the kids from school and head home because I have content to record and I have some stuff to get done. So yeah, thanks for coming along.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.